how Vijay changed Tamil Nadu politics. Let's talk about it. For decades, Tamil Nadu politics revolved around two major parties, DMK and AIADMK. But now, a new political storm has entered in the state, and its name is Vijay. From cinema superstar to political challenger, Vijay's rise is not just about celebrity power, it reflects growing public anger, youth frustration, and the demand of change in Tamil Nadu politics. We decode the major reasons behind Vijay's massive political success and why his party, TVK, is becoming a serious force in the state. Tamil Nadu has a long history of film stars entering politics. From MGR to Jayalalitha, cinema and politics have always shared a deep connection in the state. Now, actor Vijay is trying to repeat that history. But a modern political strategy focused on youth, social media, and anti establishment messaging. One of the biggest reasons behind Vijay's popularity is growing frustration among voters with the traditional DMK versus AIADMK political battle. Many young voters are believe the state need a fresh alternative beyond the old political structure. The political vacuum gives Vijay the perfect opportunity to emerge a new phase of change. Another major factor is Vijay's massive fan base. For years, Vijay built one of the strongest fan club networks in South India. Now, those fan clubs are turning into political workers at the ground level. From social media campaigns to local outreach, Vijay's supporters are actively working like a professional's political organization. Vijay's on-screen image also played a crucial role in many of his films. Vijay was portrayed as a hero fighting corruption, protesting, protecting ordinary people, and challenging powerful system. That cinematic image helped create emotional trust and among the public long before his official political entry. Political analysts also point towards rising anti-incumbency against existing parties. Some voters believe both major parties have failed to address unemployment, corruption, and youth concerns effectively. Vijay used this public dissatisfaction to position himself as a clean and modern alternative. Interestingly, Vijay has tried to maintain distance from both BJP and DMK politics by attacking multiple sides and presenting himself as an independent force. He has managed to attract voters from different political backgrounds. This strategies has helped him build a broader support base across urban and young voters. Expert believes another important reason behind Vijay's rise in absence of strong charismatic leader in Tamil Nadu after an era of Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi. Many voters were emotionally searching for a mass leader with strong public appeal, and Vijay appears to have filled that space. But the big question remains, can Vijay convert popularity into long-term political success? Can fan power become real electoral power? And most importantly, can Tamil Nadu witness another cinema superstar transforming into a full-scale political leader? The answer may shape the future of Tamil Nadu politics in coming years.